हेलो गाइस, इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कैसे CRRT मशीन को प्राइम करते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो। फॉलो क्लोजली व्हेन accessing STD catheters, gather supplies, filter set and fluids. Double check fluid, adjust MD orders with another RN. Turn primer flex on, मशीन को यहाँ से ऑन कर लेंगे। Allow primer flex to do system check. Press continue. In this screen, select new patient. Type in patient's MRN. Verify and press enter. Patient का नाम एंटर कर देंगे हम। Enter patient's weight in kg. Enter patient hematocrit. हेमाटोक्रिट पेशेंट का 3 किलो रहता है ब्लड का। एंड वेरीफाई इन्फॉर्मेशन देन प्रेस कंटिन्यू। अंडर CRRT select CVV HTF. Select no anticoagulants. Press continue. Verify information, press continue. You are now on load set screen. Open the filter set package. Tear a couple of inches, then separate the top. This dialyzer and tubings. This is drain bag. Press the first button, follow promotes. And set. Snap filter set in place. Press the next. अपनी ट्यूबिंग को अच्छे से हम ऐसे कनेक्ट कर लेंगे। Press the next button. Snap discharge ring in the place. Blood leak detector. Press the next. Hang while on priming hook. Press the next. Site duration chamber, then snap in place. Pass in chamber monitor into return press port. Turn the blue lock to secure. Press the next. Insert return line into a detector. Slide the tubing in return line clamp. Select the last button. Slide open yellow scale. Hang effluent bag, then close the scale. Press load. अब हमारी डायलिसिस है, मशीन लोड कर रही है. Make sure lines are properly fed in the motors. Root line. Make sure line run freely. Select the next. Inspect the priming solution 1 kg NS bottle. Select the next. Hang PVP solution. Connect white PVP tubing to PVP solution bag. Close PVP scale. Select next button. Slide open the green scale. Hang dialysate bag. Connect green dialysate line to dialysate bag. Close the green scale. Select the next button. Slide open the purple scale. Hang replacement solution bag. Connect purple line to replacement solution bag. Close the purple scale. Select the next. Connect return line to flint bag. Select the next. Clamp syringe line, then press continue. Select prime, test. Allow the system to prime. After passing the prime test, press continue. Adjust fluid loss gain as ordered protocol. Program blood flow rate as ordered. Program PVP rate as ordered. Program dialysate rate as ordered. Program replacement rate as ordered. Program patient fluid removal rate as ordered. Press confirm all when complete. Clamp Y line axis return and effluent lines. Follow policy when accessing HD catheter. Press the next. Connect access line to patient red HD port. Select next. Remove access line from the effluent bag. Connect access line to patient blue HD port. Select the next. Disconnect refilled line from the Y line. Select the next. Unclamp all lines. Select continue. CRRT treatment has started.